Stop wasting time searching for games. Here's how to set up Multiview in 3 steps. Setting up YouTube TV on your Roku is easier than you think. In this tutorial, we'll search and install the app, get you logged in, and fix your Multiview setup once and for all. First, we need to get the app on your device. Grab your Roku remote and let's head to the home screen. Navigate to search, type in YouTube TV and select it from the results. Then just hit Add Channel to start the installation. Quick and easy. Size. Now that the app is installed, we need to link your account, and this part is crucial for getting all your live sports and channels. Open the app and select Sign In. You'll see a code on your TV. Just enter that at tv.youtube.com/start on your phone or computer to link up. With your account linked, you're ready for the best part. Let's get that Multiview feature running so you never miss a play. Scroll down to the Home or Sports tab. You'll see the Multiview options there. Pick your favorite game combo and you are live. Wow. And that's it. 3 simple steps to a better viewing experience on your Roku. Install, activate, and enjoy Kongo. If this helped you out, subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.